Hello, today we will guide you through how to add money in Exness App. To get started, open the Exness App on your device. Make sure you are signed into your account and on the main screen before continuing. Starting from the app's home area helps you quickly find the funding options and makes the process easier to follow. Once the app is open, look for the deposit option and tap on it. This is the section used to add funds to your account. In most cases, the deposit button is clearly visible from the main dashboard or within the wallet or account funding area. If you do not see it immediately, take a moment to check the main navigation tabs on the screen. After tapping Deposit, you will be taken to a page where you can choose a method to add funds. At this stage, select the sample method shown for depositing money. The app may display one or more available payment options depending on your region, account type, or verification status. The important thing here is to choose the available method presented on your screen. In this example, this is only a demo walkthrough, so the method shown is a sample available option. Tap on that available method to continue. From there, simply follow the on-screen procedure provided by the app. These instructions may include entering the amount you want to deposit, reviewing transaction details, and confirming the payment through the selected method. Since deposit methods can vary, the exact screens may look a little different for each user, but the app will guide you through the remaining steps. As you move through the process, be sure to check all details carefully before confirming. This includes the deposit amount, selected payment method, and any instructions shown on the confirmation screen. Taking a few extra seconds to review the information can help prevent mistakes. If the app asks for additional verification or approval during the process, just follow the prompts exactly as shown. This is a normal part of many payment flows and helps ensure the transaction is completed securely. And that's it. You've now seen how to begin adding money in the Exness app by opening the app, tapping Deposit, selecting an available deposit method, and following the on-screen instructions to finish. If you are using a real account, the exact payment options may differ, but the overall process will remain very similar.